How to fix Instagram can't download data. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix Instagram can't download data. So to fix Instagram download issue, the first thing what you can do is check for the stable internet connection. You can just simply switch from your Wi-Fi to your mobile data or vice versa for the stable network connection. Now what you can do is verify the destination. Just open your Instagram app, then go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on the three-line menu and then go to Account Center. Now tap on Your Information and Permissions and then tap Export Your Information. Now make sure that you're selecting Export Your Information rather than a third-party transfer. Now the next what you can do is use a web browser if the download link in your email is unclickable or unresponsive. Just log into Instagram on a computer desktop web browser rather than the mobile app. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.